City, buddy. Tax City, I'm telling you. There it is.
You are correct, sir.
Oh, I don't envy Paul Bram. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this.
Oh, my. Kendo stick again. Look at what he's done to the kendo stick.
Split open.
Oh.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
And before the monster can take Bram and try and chokeslam him right into the tax, the Brit battles back. But this is what it's all about.
Man, how much force did Abyss have by swinging that thing was stuck? Oh, my God. Shades of what we've seen in the past here.
He hit him. But before, Bram can use Janice.
Oh!
He's stopped and he's dropped back first. Wow, right into that tax. Look at that.
Oh my God, the pain this guy has got to be in. All those tacks in his back. Look at that. Look at this. Oh my God, that's disgusting. Let's take another look here. Oh my God.
Oh, couldn't agree more. And the chance of we want blood, they've been paid off already.
Oh, wait a minute. That's Magnus.